Hello and welcome to episode 3 of SAAB Fever. My name's Frank and today we'll be fixing the airbag system on my 2002 95 Aero project car. As promised, this will be a much shorter video than the previous two. Using the Tech 2 to read the codes from the airbag module shows an open circuit or short to ground on the front left collision sensor. Serious stuff indeed. There's the sensor, easy enough to get to. Just two 10mm nuts hold it in. My plan at this point is to swap it with the right-hand sensor. I've already checked the parts catalogue and it shows that the sensors are identical, so I should be able to just swap them over. My thinking here being that if the fault follows the sensor, then it's the sensor to blame. If, however, the fault stays on the left, then it might be a wiring fault. I'll now use a small pry tool to release the locking latch on the connector. Here's the part number. I'm not going to bother screwing them in for testing, so if the sensor's swapped over, it's back to the Tech 2 for fault codes. I now have two fault codes in the airbag system. Don't worry, I was half expecting this as the previous fault was still in the system. This is actually an encouraging sign. I'll now clear the fault codes, exit out of the airbag system, then re-enter to see what the fault codes have emerged. Good news, only the right hand side now. That means that it's the sensor, not the wiring. Okay, I'm now back from my local scrapyard and I've got 2 replacement sensors. Let's fit one and see what happens. I'm not going to bother reading the codes again, I'm just going to clear them. Look at that, no airbag warning light. Time to put everything back together. Total cost for repair? A whopping £1. Of course I bought 2 sensors, so that means one can go as spare in the shed. In the next episode, we'll be going on a SAAB safari. As always, thanks for watching.